Technology Review is back with another game-changing scoop in the world of aerial tech. Buckle up, because DJI is reportedly prepping to launch its most advanced and intelligent compact drone yet, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you've been following DJI's trajectory, this isn't just another mini drone. It's a symbol of how far the tech can be pushed inside a sub-250G aircraft. From whispers of camera innovations to bold leaps in AI-powered flight automation, the Mini 5 Pro could be the defining drone of 2025. So, what exactly makes this drone a potential must-have for content creators, hobbyists, and professionals alike? Let's unpack everything we know so far: specs, performance, features, and our take on the future of mini drones. Helicopter the evolution of the Mini series. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. DJI's Mini series was never meant to replace full-size drones, until it kind of did. The Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro changed the game by offering features once limited to higher-tier drones, all wrapped in a lightweight, foldable design. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to go even further, bridging the final gap between enthusiast and professional-level gear, without the need for registration in many regions. But this isn't just a modest spec bump. The Mini 5 Pro seems designed to redefine what a sub-250G drone can do. Camera with flash camera system, leveling up to professional imaging. One of the most buzz-worthy rumors centers around the upgraded camera sensor. DJI may finally be delivering what creatives have been asking for: a 1-inch or enhanced 1/1.3-inch sensor, bringing better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and cleaner detail. This upgrade would position the Mini 5 Pro right alongside larger drones in terms of image quality, while still staying palm-sized. We're likely looking at 4K 60 or 5.4K recording, better low-light HDR performance, wider aperture for night flights, upgraded color profiles, decent like HLG, advanced gimbal stabilization system for buttery smooth cinematic tracking. Whether you're filming golden hour or chasing action in dynamic lighting, this camera is shaping up to be a true creative weapon. Airplane, smarter flight, stronger motors, and new AI brains. If camera upgrades weren't enough, DJI is also expected to pack the Mini 5 Pro with next-gen flight tech. Expect new motors and flight controllers designed to boost responsiveness, stability, wind resistance, battery efficiency. What's more exciting is the AI-driven automation that could power smoother and more cinematic moves. This isn't just Quick Shots 2.0, we're talking predictive motion tracking and environment-aware shooting. Key flight enhancements rumored. Active Track 6.0 Plus with smarter subject prediction. Waypoint flying on a mini drone finally. Master shots with real-time AI scene detection. Hyperlapse upgrades for smoother time-shifted footage. All of this while keeping control simple, ideal for first-timers and seasoned pilots alike. Brain obstacle avoidance, even smarter and safer. With the Mini 4 Pro, DJI introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, but the Mini 5 Pro might refine this with fast-reacting sensors and AI-based collision prediction. Think about what that means. Indoor flying, white heavy checkmark. Forest trails or tight alleys, white heavy checkmark. Complex maneuvers with fewer crashes, white heavy checkmark. Expected to not just avoid obstacles, but reroute with cinematic finesse, keeping your shot steady and drama-free. Battery breakthrough. Over 40 minutes of flight time? Flight time is the holy grail for drone flyers. Balancing battery life with weight limits has always been tricky, but DJI might have cracked the formula this time. Leaked reports hint at new high-density lithium battery, improved energy management chip, optimized flight algorithms. The result? The Mini 5 Pro could fly for 42 to 45 minutes, a massive upgrade over its predecessors. That's more time for creators to plan, shoot, and get that perfect golden hour footage without rushing. Luggage design. durability and portability, still featherlight but tougher. Despite packing so much in, DJI is committed to staying under the 250G barrier. That means smarter materials, not bulkier ones. Here's what to expect in the build. Sleeker aerodynamics for better wind cutting. Heat-dissipating shell to prevent thermal throttling. Reinforced foldable arms with new locking system. Gimbal cage with better vibration protection. Waterproof or weather-resistant coating. Rumored, but unconfirmed. Bottom line, more features, stronger build, still pocketable. Video game controllers and accessories. RC2 or something new. DJI's RC2 controller was a big hit with built-in screen and HD feed. It's likely we'll see a new version included with higher-end bundles. But there's also talk of a new premium RC Pro Mini, designed for lower latency and ultra-bright display performance. Expect the Fly More combo to be a hot item again, potentially including 2 extra batteries, charging hub, and filter set, hard shell case, controller lanyard and sticks. Money bag price, what's the damage? Here's what the current estimates are hinting at. Base model, Drone Plus Standard RC, $999. Fly More Combo, $1,299. Top Tier Bundle, with upgraded controller, $1,499 plus. It's a bump from the Mini 4 Pro, but with these upgrades, it's still priced competitively against full-size drones, especially considering the sub, 250G perks, and pro-grade imaging. Direct hit, who is the DJI Mini 5 Pro for? Let's be real, this drone isn't just for mini drone users anymore. DJI is targeting a broad spectrum with this one. 1. Travel vloggers. Lightweight, foldable, and likely to pass through most international flight regulations. This is the dream drone for globetrotters. 2. YouTubers and content creators. Think stabilized cinematic 4K, plus footage with pro-grade tracking and automated shots. No big crew required. 3. Real estate and drone pros. You get full-fledged pro imaging in a compact form. Ideal for scouting, survey work, or getting that killer B-roll with zero fuss. 4. Beginners. With smarter obstacle avoidance, better battery life, and intuitive controls, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best first drone ever made. 5. Professional filmmakers, secondary drone. Let's not forget, even the pros need a backup. And one that fits in a backpack and flies for 40-plus minutes? That's no backup, that's a necessity. Clapperboard final thoughts. A tiny drone with monumental ambitions. If the leaks and rumors come true, and DJI's track record says they will, the Mini 5 Pro will blur the lines between compact drone and professional flying camera. From cinematic capabilities to smarter safety features, from longer airtime to a sleeker design, DJI might just create the ultimate drone under 250G. For creators, explorers, and flyers of all skill levels, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the drone to beat in 2025. If you're thinking of waiting, the answer is clear. You should. Calendar expected release date? DJI usually times their major drone drops around Q2 or Q3. Based on internal patterns and retailer leaks, we're anticipating a summer 2025 release, possibly between late June and early August. Stay tuned, because when DJI officially unveils the Mini 5 Pro, we'll be breaking it all down here on Technology Review.